Hello and welcome to my how to remove people and objects from photos Photoshop tutorial. To start off with, you'll need a photo of choice. I've chosen this one here. Now, say for whatever reason you want to remove someone from this. Say, for instance, little Timmy has been caught playing Fortnite and his parents have decided to disown him. Well, first you want to right-click the photo over on the Layers tab and press Layer from Background and just make it a layer. Then you want to go to the Quick Selection tool and in the go to the Quick Selection one thing. For areas that are a bit hard to distinguish, I'd recommend using the selection brush to just do it manually. So once he's selected, you want to go to Edit, Fill Selection, use Content Aware, Opacity 100, Mode Normal. Okay, and yeah, he should blend fairly well into the background. So another example of something removed would be this plant. Now, simply because the background is fairly inconsistent, you have the cabin as well as the green sort of vegetation. Just replacing that would leave it looking pretty bad. So there is another workaround which I would suggest for things like this, which is to, instead of just fill the plant like that, where the edges are clipped, the planks going everywhere. You can't really avoid that, but it will be less noticeable if you were to simply fill the selection and the area around it. The AI has a better chance at correctly removing an object if it has more information about what is directly behind it. An example of where content aware fill really wouldn't be a viable option is probably perfectly summed up by this picture. There is just no consistency in the background whatsoever. It's just individuals, very incoherent. And an example of why it would be bad, Jesus, let's just take Sylvester McCoy here and try and remove him from reality. That is creepy how similar they look. But anyway, fill section, content aware. Yeah, it's done a fairly good job here, but then again, it's put a bunch of faces there. If I try and fix those, then they're just replaced with other faces, and so on and so forth. So yeah, those are the do's and don'ts of content aware fill with Photoshop. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.